Hello everyone, hi. Today I will show you a quick tutorial to use AutoHeroes. First, in this video, I will show you how to quick setup and how to use all of the tools. First of all, after you bought these tools, you need to go to the autoheroes.digitalheroes.my and then you need to register. So you need to put on all of the detail here and you need to create your account. After that, you need to contact admin to log in for activation. To contact admin, you need to sign in using the detail that you have before, and you need to sign in, and then you need to go to the tutorial page. In the tutorial page, you will see that there is a website button and the email button. So you need to contact admin for the activation. After the activation have been successful, you need to go to your subscription. On the subscription page, you will see the download extension button. Download any extension, each of the extension that you already purchased. After you go to the download button, download section, you will see there is a tools with a disk in front of it and the name of the tools, Facebook tools. So you need to download this one. Download. After the download has been successful, here is the tools. Then you need to go to the extension page and then you need to drop it. First of all, you need to unzip it and then you need to drop it. So after you drop it, you will see there is a extension tools. So I have two because I already installed one. So after you have installed the extension can only be accessed at the Facebook page since I installed the Facebook tools. So first of all, after you have installed, you need to pin the tools so that you can easily toggle it in between the tools. So you need to go to the Facebook AutoHeroes and then you can use all the tools. So this is the first video on the quick setup. Thank you.